For 3 months, I was working on something big. Actually, the biggest project I've ever undertaken since I started the paperless movement end of 2017. And I call it the inner circle of the paperless movement. Those of you who follow me for a while now know that the most exciting thing to me is to help my community to go paperless. With more and more subscribers, I received more and more emails on a daily basis with questions about how to use certain apps, combine workflows, or generally what equipment I would suggest to get started or optimized. I was happy to help each of you out there. However, I always thought it would be so great if the community could benefit from this help too. So my goal was to create something that combines all the platforms and communication funnels I created and published so far, which is the online shop, the course website, the blog website, and the Facebook group. I actually paid a well-known agency a lot of money to get it done for me. But I tell you what, the result wasn't what I wanted for the inner circle. I didn't want to get this out-of-the-box feeling every other website offers. I wanted to make it as personal, functional, and as fun as possible. So I created the whole website on my very own. And finally, after 3 months, it was ready to let the first few of you inside the circle. Yes, I launched it a week ago, and those of you who joined during this time helped me so much to smash those initial bugs, glitches, and ugly looking corners. So at this point, I want to thank all of you who helped me the past week to get things ready for this announcement. And with you, I mean nearly 100 members. Now, with this video, the website has its official early access launch. All of you watching this and your friends will have the chance now to join the inner circle on a reduced rate. And this lowest, never coming back price will stick to your membership as long you are a member. Yes, this membership will have a price. However, this money allows me to run the website on dedicated servers. And the website is now completely ad-free, no random advertising anymore. I picked only high-quality plugins, not only for the functions, but also for your and the website's security. And I will be able to offer my members certain perks, like 50% discount in my online shop, for example for the digital journal. But even better, there will be exclusive third-party discounts too, only for my inner circle members. There will be 20% on Paperless, 5% on the Raven scanner, 10% on Rocketbook, and 10% on ThinkBoard. And it won't stop here, as there will be more discounts added over time. Believe me, this is just the start. As many of you know, I launched my very first online course earlier this year. This course and future courses will be freely accessible for my inner circle members. Other things you will get: premium blog posts, exclusive interviews with company owners, my personal vlog where I will share some behind the scenes thoughts and real life experiences with my equipment, my live video Q&As where I will answer all your questions, and last but not least, the most important part, there will be you, the inner circle community. You will get access to a news feed where you will see all the community updates, and you will be able to discuss all your paperless topics in one of our 6 groups that are related to digital note-taking, document management, task management, time management, workflow automation, and cybersecurity. But wait, before you hop over, please keep in mind, it is early access. There is still content missing and bugs to be smashed. But you will have the unique chance to be amongst the founding members of the paperless movement inner circle on the lowest price ever available. And I mean it. There will never be any lower price or discount become available in the future again. So join us. And together with you, we will build something awesome. Cannot wait to meet you inside the circle.